for Jamaica, Raymond Wolf. We saw in the newspapers that the Queen was visiting Jamaica a couple of weeks ago. And it's quite interesting for us to know that Jamaica still has the Queen as the head of state.
Yes, well, listen, I'm grateful to Raj for giving that historical perspective, because what he has emphasized is what I would merely repeat, which is a volunteer association. We are proud of our ties with Britain and also as a member of the Commonwealth. Unlike India, we had a peaceful transition to independence. And our political leaders at the time of independence, both as Norman Washington Manley and Sir Alexander Buster Manley, jointly agreed that we would continue our association with Britain. There's a practical value in it as well, in the sense that as a newly independent country, we required continuing assistance and help in modernizing our institutions and in development assistance and so on. And that has continued through today. Yet, Jamaica has widely expanded the sphere of its international relations with reference to no one except our own sovereign decision. We welcomed the Queen to Jamaica recently, her Golden Jubilee, and the fact that Jamaica this year will be celebrating its 40th year of independence and membership in the Commonwealth. And we discussed a number of things.
Is there any, just to
Sure.
get back to this, is there any movement in Jamaica or other Caribbean states to perhaps not have the Queen anymore as the head of state?
That is a process of evolution. You have to bear in mind that even within CARICOM, you have the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, you have the Republic of Ghana, but they are equally part of the Commonwealth and will continue to be there. In Jamaica, the debate continues. I think that there's a consensus on between the government and the opposition that we should ultimately become a republic. The question is in the details whether we will have an executive president or a ceremonial president to replace the governor general. But there's no question that ultimately we will achieve republican status. So it's not really a question of debate. It's a matter of form and content. And until our current leaders reach to that to that situation, then we will continue to have the debate.
Does continuing to be a member